Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you in this absolutely super looking Mini Cooper S Sport. Now this is a 2019 new model car, and so it's got the John Cooper Works external body kit. We've got the John Cooper Works 17-inch wheels. It's also got the factory option of the black exterior dress pack, so that basically, as we go around it, I'll show you. But a lovely car. Pepper white is arguably one of the best colours for the car, and as I say, the Cooper S has this lovely scoop in the bonnet which just visual, it shows you that it is a Cooper S. Now the Cooper S with the John Cooper Works gets the front bumper spoiler there, and then as we come round we get these twin spoke John Cooper Works style alloy wheels. Now the John Cooper Works body kit then comes side skirts, and then as we go over the wheel arches and round to the rear of the car, we get the twin tailpipe and rear bumper diffuser all the way around. Now the external black trim package is, as you see it, so number plate plinth, round the rear tail lights are all black. We then get the black contrast roof with privacy glass, black mirror caps, and as we come round to the front of the car, then I think the dynamic headlamp surrounds look wonderful in high gloss black. Now the centre grille then is finished in high gloss black as well, but when you look around the car, just look at that. For a 5-door car, that has got to be one of the best looking 5-door cars you can get. Now the Cooper S is a 2-litre engine, wonderful to drive, loads of performance, and yet wonderful on fuel. The sides of the car are in absolutely gorgeous order. And as a rundown then, we've got the chrome on the door handles and the petrol cap as well. That looks really smart. Now what I do like on the new Mini is this Union jack in the tail lights. I think that looks absolutely superb. Very, very nice design tweak, but just look how that back end of that car looks. 5 doors, boot, super space in there as well. Just look at that, lovely, huge boot space. You can fit anything in there. Drove this car, it's absolutely brilliant. So the Italian job all over again. As I say, the chrome caps there, and then the driver's side looks exactly like the passenger, is in wonderful order. All the wheels are nice. We'll take them off when we service it and detail it in our mechanical work bay, and they will then look like super wheels. As I say, the driver's side is in lovely high gloss pepper white as well. But just look at that, beautiful. Black mirror caps. Opening up, we then get the sports interior. We're welcomed by the John Cooper Works sill plates, and then this wonderful John Cooper Works high back racing interior. Look at that. Not many of them have this in. I had a convertible a couple of months ago with this interior in. Very, very nice interior this. We get the graphite checker plate trim throughout as well, so it looks like a checker flag, and then that then runs up then the centre of the trim. John Cooper Works as well on there, but a wonderful car. Keys are in my pocket, we've got 2 of them. Starter up, we've got a little raspy sporty exhaust system. John Cooper Works steering wheel with red stitching all the way around. There is a sense of occasion in this car. I must admit, I could see myself in this one quite easily. Very, very versatile. Bit of air in the tyre. Service will do beforehand. So as you go through the car, we've got then the media player, communication, notifications, Mini connected and My Mini. Dead easy to work all them. Bluetooth, as I say. Climate control is digital. We do have heated seats as well, air conditioning, and then stop start. We've got USB and everything down there, and then the media center here, and then a front armrest with storage there also. But these seats, as I sit in this chair, lovely around the base of your back and around the shoulders. A very, very nice car. Now I don't smoke, I can tell the last keeper was not a smoker either, so this car still has that nice new smell as one would expect. Looking at the mileage there, as you can see, 37,753 miles as we do the video. Privacy glass in the back, keeps it nice and cool for the kids if you've got them, but just take a look in there. So lovely seats, again, You can see the high back trim on that, but absolutely gorgeous in there. Like that car a lot. So there you go, Mini Cooper S, John Cooper Works. Well, it's a Mini Cooper S Sport, John Cooper Works. Pepper white, full exterior black pack, black roof, black mirror caps, black decor rings around the lamps, signature lighting system. Super, super, super all from me, that. So if you like that car, give us a call. We'll take part exchange, finance. Have a look at our reviews. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer. If you need any more information, I'm Graham. We've got Dominic and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. But thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.